After this girl stole candy from her kid, she came across the craziest reaction.
I stole a piece of candy out of my kid's Halloween basket on Friday. I'd never seen or heard of it before, and I just wanted to try something new, and so I ate it. I took one bite, and I said, this is my new favorite candy. I've never tasted anything like this. It was so delicious, and I have been craving it and thinking about it since and telling everybody I know about it. I don't understand how I've never seen or heard of it, because when I started telling people about it, they're like, oh, those have been around. Today, we are gonna go find it. It said that they had them at CVS, so that's gonna be our first stop, try to see if we can find it. I had to take a trip just for this, but it's like, me. Let's look for it. Not up here either. Guys, I found it. The crunch. Do y'all hear that crunch? Look at the layers. Look at the layers.